Today I'd like to demonstrate Rock Tread's concrete repair patch kit, our crack and patch. It's a 3-component aggregate epoxy and resin filled kit. To use the crack and patch, take the resin part A. It comes in our patented bag pack. Open up the white lid, pull off the blue tab, empty the contents into the white bucket. Then take your part B, your hardener, again unscrew the white lid, pull out the blue tab, dump the contents into the white bucket. Then mix up the resin and the hardener for a minute to a minute and a half. Once that is mixed, open up your bag of aggregate, dump your aggregate into the bucket, and mix until you get the consistency of, say, pancake batter. Once it's mixed up, simply dump out your product and you can repair your concrete or your cracks. This product comes in 3 formulations. This is our standard formulation, and that's designed for concrete patches that would be if the substrate was between 55 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit. We have our cooler formulation, which is designed for coolers that are between 40 degrees Fahrenheit and 55 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we have our freezer application for low temperature applications down to 0 degrees. The thing that makes this unique, it's 100% solids, 0 VOC, so there is no smell. One of the big markets for this product is in commercial kitchens and food processing, where sometimes concrete cracks due to thermal shocks. This product allows a customer to not have to move their inventory. They can simply mix up this product, trowel it down in their cracks. Depending on the temperature, it will obtain a positive cure. If you have any questions on crack and patch or any other Rock Tread products, feel free to give us a call, 1-888-ROCK-TREAD, or visit our website, www.rocktread.com.